Welcome to a new video. The day has come, ladies and gentlemen, the day we're going to remove the black stirrups. Blessed be the Lord. Do we have something here on CD about what you saw on their t-shirts? He wrote to me, he said, "Can I help you solve that thing you hate so much?" And we met last week to check. He brought something like a catalog, a color sample book, to see which one looked similar. I don't know if I can compare it, but it looks perfect. It's not a regular white, it's like a white, it's kind of creamy. So if we put a regular white, no, it's going to look kind of bad, it's going to look too contrasting. It's actually quite similar. But anyway, he showed me a sample book and we looked to see which one looked the most similar. The truth is we didn't find an identical shade, because I imagine this is a specific color. I assume it's from Maserati. We found a very similar shade to use and I think it'll look really cool. So once again, thanks to CD for agreeing to customize the Maserati. And well, we're gonna put it on and then we're gonna give it a little wash because it's a bit dirty. And it rains every half hour, it rains, so it's something really strange. In Miami, it rains a lot, but it's really weird. I mean, it rains, then it stops, it rains, then it stops, and it's like that every day. But anyway, I'm excited because today, finally, seriously guys, who decided that? Please, sir, Chaparrito looks great, huh? Chaparrito looks great, right? I want to tell you that we're going to leave a black part. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, but there's a line here. In fact, it's sunken, really sunken, and there are a lot of Maseratis. I don't know how it works. A lot of Maseratis that came out with that black line, and a lot that didn't, with the whole side skirt in the color of the car. So I'll leave a picture here so you can see the difference. Both pictures, one of the Maserati with a black line and one with a line matching the car's color. I had my doubts about how to do it. I mean, whether to make it completely white or leave it two-tone, but I think one of the reasons why I'm gonna leave it two-tone, the shade of white isn't quite the same. If it matched exactly, we could make it all white. But the less vinyl it has, the less noticeable it will be that it's a different shade of white. So we're going to leave it two-tone. It'll still look really good. That's actually how these cars come from the dealership, and personally I love it. I think it matches really well. That black piece brings matching black shaped pieces to the front, and in the back it also has similar pieces. Since it has about the same black shape, it makes sense for that piece to be black. But alright, let's give it a little cleaning and let's put it on. By the way, check out City's ride. He's got it there, it's looking sharp, it's looking badass. He's got it all set up. Shorty, he's got it looking fresh. In fact, let's get some shots. And I'm going to cover up the back part here. I'll show you the details in a moment, but I like it because for some reason it doesn't have it. I mean, I guess it's so you can stick something on it or something, but since it's low, I don't know if it's so it can scrape. I don't know. The thing is, it's still missing a little piece there, which could make the car look a little lower. So let's put that on too. Did you see? It's a little, but it's work on this. It's not a little, but it looks very significant. What do you say? Why does that car look different? And yeah, it's those little details that, well, I don't know why it would be cut off up to there, but we're gonna put it on. Here, the good city is putting it on. Knifeless tape, which is literal. It's a little wire that lets you cut the vinyl from the inside out so you don't scratch the car. Because that's exactly where he's putting it. That's where the division is gonna go. The tone doesn't look similar, but it will look better. Let's see, it also has a coating, which we'll remove now and replace with a transparent one to protect the vinyl during application. But yeah, it's not the same shade, we know that, but it was the closest one. And in the sunlight, it looks pretty good. I mean, in person, you can't really tell. There's not much difference. It's strange that you can notice it on camera. And obviously, we're also paying attention specifically right now, right, to that part and to the fact that the color is different. At 160, you can't really see it. The tone gets a bit lost, but it still looks great. What a difference. That black stripe is the one I mentioned. We're definitely keeping it. That's how it comes from the agency. So yeah, that's intentional. It really does look very nice. In fact, I like it. I really like it with that black line, because in the back, if you notice, the whole car has it. The lower part in the back, the center has like its black piece, and in the front, it has this black piece right underneath. It's called a little fiber. But does it make sense that in the center it has a little black hole, and in the back too? On the sides too. That back part, no car comes with it painted. That really is going to be pure drift, this idea. If you look at the side skirt, it extends all the way here, but this part doesn't. Why? I don't know, but we're going to lower it so everything looks the same. And you can clearly see how the side skirt reaches all the way down, but not here. Here, there's a cut, not from today. My theory is we'll try it on now and see how it looks. We're already working on the second side skirt. He's really focused, even using his little lamp. It's nighttime, but we keep going. We're already in the final stretch, gentlemen. Stay until the end, gentlemen, to see how it turns out. Tomorrow we're going to take it for a spin during the day to drive it around so it looks nice, but it's turning out really well. What a difference. What a difference. Honestly, I insist. The camera makes it stand out a lot more. I don't know why, but for doing a random vinyl with Maserati paint, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, no. I mean, it's also just a small part that's wrapped in, but I think if you see it like this in person, parked, you walk by and barely notice it. What? Well, this is another paint job, another vinyl, another shade. I mean, if you're just walking by here really chill and you look at it, you wouldn't say, oh, the running board is a different color. It just looks very similar. Besides, right on the running board, the piece kind of tucks in. So obviously it gets a lot less light than the hood, for example, which is where it gets hit the most. I mean, the part we're wrapping is kind of like the belly. So yeah, it even looks darker. If you look at the front bumper, you can see that part is much darker than the rest. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Much better than the black running board, the best look. So that's how it turned out, brothers. What do you think? Yes or no? Oh good, did you like it? Or did you think black looked better? No, I think it lasts good then. Well, it's done now. Hold on a moment. I'll give you some daytime gummies. It doesn't look great now, but we're happy with the result, let me tell you. Yes, you can see it's a different shade. We know it's different, but we couldn't find the same one. The difference isn't that big. With the car's lights on it now, it's hardly noticeable. Do you agree? What I can say is that I was fascinated. I don't know what I thought about changing the color entirely, but driving it that way really bothered me. It's about me. And right now it looks the way it's meant to look, Dadote. And from the back, I'll show you that later too. And it turned out really well. The next day we found this spot to come and take some shots of it. Look at the difference, check it out. There's a little dent there, guys. Soft did that. And honestly, don't judge her. In her defense, she already showed me where she was hurt. What if the sidewalk is poorly made? But that's how it should be. It's nothing, you can't really see it. Honestly, I already kind of took it off with the paint from the sidewalk, but there's no problem. Look, check out how on this side, well, you literally can't tell, you can't tell absolutely nothing that it's, well, another shade, definitely, but check out this side. The light hits it differently, honestly, you can really tell it's another shade. Did you see that? But anyway, if you stand over here, not anymore, not so much. No. No. But anyway, I hope you liked it. Well, from down here, the Caminos networks in rap, and once again, thank you, brother, thank you. And well, see you in the next one.